Hello, now let us show you the age verification. You can see here is the verification device. Now we go to the menu, press the menu button, and then input the password. Now you will find a age set. Then you can set for individual selection and also entire tray for entire machine. Now let's have a try. For example, 21, we set age 30. So means the age under 30 cannot buy these products. And then 22, we set 18. Means the age under 80 cannot buy this. Okay. Then we have a try. 21. We choose 21. You can see as we set the age control, so the bill acceptor didn't have the red light, have the light. You can see it didn't accept the money. Now you can see the passport. It's 1993, 27. So we swipe the passport. You can see it shows red light, means cannot buy, as it's under 30. Then we try another one, 22. As we set 80, so this passport can buy it. Swipe it. You can see it shows red light. Then now the bill acceptor has a green light. It accepts the money. Okay, you can see the coin. We put the euro. Okay. Now products delivered. You can take out the product. And then we can try 23. As we didn't set 23. Now you can buy it directly. 23. Yeah, so it didn't controlled by the age. Yeah, take out the products. Okay, thank you.